Animal Study, written by Juan Robles. Vowel Digraph IE. Brief, dried, lie, tie, tried. High-frequency words. Animal, are, does, each, one, hour, out, point, see, small, study, what. We are going to study an animal. The animal is a fish. The fish swims in a tank on the shelf. We will take notes on what we see. We should make our notes brief and to the point. I point out that one fin is big and the other fins are small. Beth and Luke point out that the fish does not lie down. When does it rest? We tie a snack to a string. The snack is a dried flake. We study what the animal does each day. Our animal study notes are great. We tried hard to do a fine job.